how to identify gemstone with a thin nail. Let's go. The idea is simple. The hardness of a thin nail is 5.5, but the hardness of gemstone like quartz, amethyst, and agate is 6 to 7. Then the thin nail drag on gemstone like quartz, amethyst, or agate, scratch on. Let's test and see. Look at this. Thin nail drags on it. Let's see. Don't scratch. Then the hardness of this stone is more than. Let's test this. This stone, see, the thin nail scratch this. This is not gemstone and softer than a thin nail. Test more stone. If I want fine quartz, look at this. Thin it, don't scratch. This is agate. And look at this. This is quartz. This in it, don't scratch this. The hardness of quartz is more. Look at this. This is agate. Test this. This in it, don't scratch this. Oh, look at this. Don't scratch. Test this. See? Scratch. This is stone. Don't gemstone. Look at this. Don't scratch. Test this. Is softer than thin nail. If you like this video, please like and subscribe me for more videos. Goodbye.